All right, we're at the job site here today. We got Rick in the house. What's up, Rick?
Hey, what's up, man?
We got Jasper. What's up?
Oh, what's up again?
Here's the yard we're dealing with here at the moment. It's got some weeds. We're going to clean all this yard up here in the front, all here, and in the backyard we're going to mess with that as well. So we're going to start working on this here. I've got to do some quotes. We're going to run in a little bit and do some quotes, get some more business. So let's see what we do today. All right, neighbor just came out from this house here. We just booked that job. So we're working on this one here, and we'll be working on this one here pretty soon, front and back. So that was nice. Guy came out, saw us landscaping already here, so picked up a second job. I got to run right now and quote 2 other jobs, so let's go. All right, so on Facebook last night, somebody recommended us. So we're getting a flood of calls and messages to do yard work out here. Let me see the address on this one. 14287, 14287. So this one I'm just going to drive by, get a glance for what it is, and get a quote on it. I wish people would post their addresses more so I can see them. 22. So it looks like it's 14. I bet it's this house right here. 14287. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. All right, just landed this job right here. That's a good little deal. Work on that quick little yard. We got a project with that, the front and the back. Why does it look so funny? Bright out here. But yeah, you know, I'll tell you what, you just give them the quote. They're like, we need it done. I mean, they have to. These people need it done. They don't want to do it. That guy seems like a really cool guy. He owns an automotive shop down here, so he's like, I got plenty of work for you guys here. Let's just knock out the front and we'll get that taken care of. So that's cool. We'll pencil that in the schedule. The next location is, let's see where I'm going here. It's kind of craziness. There we go, 107 direction. So these jobs are all within a half a mile or a mile that I'm going here. This one's 3-minute drive, 0.7 miles. Pretty sweet. So let's head over there and see how that yard looks. All right, that was the reason why it looked so white. I had the white balance too high. Crazy cameras. All right, so it's right over here. I'm gonna do this one over here. Let's try to find the address. Yeah, we got a state trooper living here. 107 West 7. What's the address here? Oh, here it is, right here. Oh, the house on the market. Let's take a look here. Well, that's not bad at all. We park here and we'll get out and talk to the woman. Let's see if we can get this job. Wow, this is an amazing home. It's on the market for $179. When I do this job, guys, it's an amazing home. It's all landscaped throughout the back. But I got the job. Very, very well paid job here. This is going to be about a day and a half's worth of work to clean this up, and we'll document this one. But this was a job we needed. This is a really good paying job. They're moving back to Oregon. They bought this house 10 months ago. One of them's got cancer, so they're out of here. They need it cleaned up to sell it. So this is it's gonna be a good little gig. All right, we're gonna head back over here to this job here, see how Rick and Jasper are doing with the progress. We'll knock out this yard here and get some cashola. Let's see how they're doing. There they are. Oh, some progress there, that's for sure. All right. All right, making progress here in the front yard. The backyard is a disaster zone. I don't know what you got us into, Ricky. Look at this. Here's ground level. I'm coming through there, Rick. Nice little F-150. Check out this. Whoa. So, gonna have to grind this out. All right, boys, lunchtime.
Hello.
Kimmy's famous Italian sub sandwiches.
Nice.
Dig in.
Sweet.
How's this going so far, Rick?
Pretty good. I got all the weeds out.
Going good.
Looking good. The yard's going, huh? Right, Jasper?
Yeah, look at that.
You having fun?
Nice. Yeah, I'm having fun.
Making some monies?
Yeah.
All right.
Right on.
Looking pretty good in here. Oh yeah. Turned out pretty good so far. Is that cutting it pretty good? Yeah. Jasper, what were you just doing? Do that again.
Humping it.
That's how you move weeds in Arizona. All right, I got my new chauffeur, Jasper, driving me around town. Don't kill us now, Jasper.
I'm gonna. Just getting to the right side.
All right, you got to pay him. Pay him the juice. 40 bucks. Is that good? Hey, tomorrow you want to work?
Yeah.
All right. We got those two. We actually got 4 more jobs. So.
Where?
Well, we got the one next door. We got to finish hers, and then the other 3. So.
Cool.
How sweet is this? We got our first review on Facebook, and I'm super proud of this. So is Rick. We've been busting our butt doing these yards here, and it's word of mouth that's going to get us busy. It's going to make us some money and sustain this landscaping business, no doubt about it. So this was amazing to see the first review come in here on our Facebook page. So this is just, it's going well, guys. It's going very, very well, and I'm having a blast doing this. I'm working hard and making some money and trying to get Rick back on his feet. Got a comment here from Linda. She says, you do a good job, but I want to see reseller vlogs. And I totally understand that, guys. I totally understand that this is what my channel was built on, was reseller vlogs. There's over 700 videos on this YouTube channel, so I'd encourage you guys to go back in time. Even 4 or 5 years ago when I was talking heavily about Amazon FBA and eBay, and just there's a lot of videos on here, but this journey that I want to do right now is to help a good friend of mine, Rick, here, get him on his feet. And I want to show you guys that you can build a business really with very little money and tools, and that's what we're running on, lean and mean. So there will be some reseller vlogs coming out here in the future. There's no doubt about it. But at this point in time, we're running hard on this, and I appreciate you guys that are staying in tune to it. I know it's not for everybody here, but I promise you there will be some reseller vlogs coming in the future. Here's another question from Sheila. Will Rick have enough money soon to get a place to live? We're working on it. He's saving his money here. We got to get him on this YouTube channel here to talk about his past and where he's at, and some of the struggles he's gone through. There's no doubt about it. I want you guys to hear it because you can learn from it. There's no doubt about it. But he's saving money here. We're working at it, and soon, very soon, we'll have some stuff figured out. Hopefully, you know, we're juggling a lot of things here, and he came to me with pennies in his pocket. So you know, it's a struggle. There's no doubt about it. But we're going to get through it, and we're going to make it happen. So today's job was a busy one. Took us all day, front and back. The pay was roughly about $350. I didn't even realize that these cars were back there, these trucks. There's 2 trucks here. There's one Ford F-150 in '88, and then there's an older Jeep, along with, they had a truck bed from, I think, a '57 Ford on a trailer, and they're all for sale. I'm considering maybe buying that F-150, but when we were going through the back there, we couldn't get back there when we quoted the house. So Rick looked over the other side of the fence. He goes, "Oh, it's not that bad." And then when the couple opened up the gate, when we got to the job, we're like, "Oh my gosh!" But here's the good thing, you know, the couple that we did for this house, they're older people, and they can't move very well. They neglected their yard, and nobody ever came around to help them. So they were really, really happy that we came out there and did the work for them here. But I think it's somewhere down the line, you know, I might be back at this property here to look at these vehicles. They do want us to do monthly landscaping, so that's a good sign too. So pretty cool. So we got Jasper helping us here on this job here, and we kind of took him on as an extra worker here because we could use the help. We got the jobs, so we got to knock them out. And if we can speed up these jobs here, we can bust through a lot more of them here. So it's good to have Jasper part of the team. Let's look at some shots of some before and after. The front yard wasn't that bad, but that backyard was it was a jungle. I'm not gonna lie, it was probably one of the worst yards we've ever done. But yeah, the front yard turned out pretty well. Here's a picture of it all nice and clean, no weeds on the ground. There was some areas here where I had to spray some weed killer to kill them because the roots were just too rough. But the backyard was really a journey here. Let's take a look at that now. Yeah, this backyard was no joke, no doubt about it. There was a lot of hard work that went in this back of this, and a lot of these big weeds. But the great thing about doing this is you see the transformation. Once you put the time and the effort into it, the transformation is mind-blowing, and it's almost just as good as getting paid. There's no doubt about it. And these people were just completely blown away when we knocked on their door and said, "We're done. Come take a look at this." As you can see, it's a night and day difference here, and there's still some work that needs to be done. You know, we trimmed these down the best we could. We were exhausted. I mean, we spent all day doing this, but they got about 15 dogs in their house, so now these dogs can go in the backyard, not get lost, and it's just a win-win. You know, it's like I said before, it's that feeling of accomplishment and seeing all that hard work and effort going into something you busted your butt for. So appreciate you guys watching today's video. Go out there, be great, find opportunities in your life, find a new side hustle, find something that works, find something that makes you happy. You know what? And maybe help a friend along the way, right? Maybe find somebody that needs some help and help them as well. So appreciate you guys watching. Until next time I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over. Whoa, doing welding. Okay.
Yeah, at the THC?
Yeah.